World's first portable water filter cooler, designed with your safety in mind. The Water Vault's cooler is infused with nano silver for natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. The nano silver lining helps kill viruses and bacteria that may be lurking in the cooler in between cleanings. The water filter's cartridges filter 99.9999% of bacteria and 99.99% of viruses. Pre-filtration filters out large unwanted particles. The heart of the filter is a unique bacteria and cyst-retentive electrospun nanofiber membrane. In the final filtration step, the carbon block reduces lead, chlorine, and odors, providing better-tasting water. When the purification capacity is exhausted, it simply stops flowing, ensuring your drinking water is always safe. The faucet is protected from outside environments and stored with UVC light to eliminate up to 99% of allergens, viruses, bacteria, and mold. So for you, it's simple, reliable, and most importantly, safe.